Navicore Solutions is here in Washington, D.C. to celebrate the success of the New Jersey Coalition for Financial Education. Each year, Jumpstart recognizes one of the state coalitions for their outstanding efforts as it relates to financial literacy. We're so very proud of Kim Cole as she has the honor as chair to accept this prestigious award.
New Jersey is a very progressive state when it comes to financial literacy. When I had the opportunity to first start with the coalition, it's probably about 15 years ago, one of the things that we were pushing was to bring financial literacy into the high schools, and we did it. It is now a requirement in New Jersey to have 1 semester of financial education in which to graduate. And we didn't stop there. We continued our push and the work that we did, and we found out just 2 months ago that the state of New Jersey now requires financial education in grades 6, 7, and 8. So we have a whole new crop of teachers to work with, which we're very excited about. The thing about the coalition is that we are definitely not one person. We are a group that has worked together for many years. And if I may be so bold, I'd like to call up some of our coalition board members for recognition. I'd like to start with our vice chair, Patricia Berhow, our secretary, Greg Gallagher, our treasurer, Becky Winters, and our director of grants, the woman who keeps us going, Dr. Barbara O'Neill. And of course, my right arm, our executive director, Michael Trulis. All of us up here have day jobs, and it's important to understand that all of our employers really do stand behind us and give us the opportunity to do what we do best. They let us fly into all different directions of financial education, give us time off of work, and do what needs to be done to get the message out. So with that, I would like to recognize my employer, Navicore Solutions, like to recognize IELTS, Affinity Federal Credit Union, Rutgers University, and we'll give Navicore another nod for Becky as well. And of course, none of this could be done without our funders. Affinity Federal Credit Union really does make it possible for us to do what we do. We've been able to move real mountains through innovative ways such as webinars and symposiums, and without their funding and that of the funding of the New Jersey Credit Union League, we could not make that happen. So we'd also like to thank our funders. And let's just keep doing what we're doing, get out there, get the word out, and thank you so much.
So we at Jumpstart are so excited to have this opportunity to recognize the work of the New Jersey Coalition. You know, all of our state coalitions do an amazing job of working together to advance financial literacy, but New Jersey has taken it to a new level with thousands of members and a real camaraderie that really embodies the spirit not only of the financial literacy effort but of a coalition. And so congratulations to New Jersey for all of your wonderful work, and best wishes to you for many years to come.
For almost 15 years I've been the executive director of the New Jersey Coalition for Financial Education, and I'm so pleased to be here tonight to celebrate this wonderful recognition for the Coalition of the Year. And New Jersey gets recognized. We're one of the few states that have financial literacy in our high schools as a prerequisite for graduation. I've served under many chairs, Mayor Navicore, and now recently under Kim Cole of Navicore Solutions, and I'm just so pleased to assist them in their vision for financial literacy for the state of New Jersey. And the next upcoming years we'll be taking on the middle schools, preparing those teachers as the laws in New Jersey once again are ahead of the curve, and preparing our young people for financial literacy as they enter not just the workforce, but living in the next generation.